Businesses survive by remaining ahead of the competition. And this demands you to be updated with modern technology. Is your ERP compatible with your online platform? Or, do you waste your precious time and resources managing the two solutions separately? These are the important questions you must consider if you want to streamline your operations. To answer these questions, x2x eCommerce brings you the GP Shopify integration module, with the capabilities to enhance your ERP with functionalities that is in line with Shopify, and allow you to manage your Shopify platform right from your GP environment. This centralizes your operations, and reduces the need to use two platforms. Introducing the GP Shopify Collection Management feature, that allows you to create, manage, update and even upload the collections from within your GP environment. Not only this, but you can even assign collections to items from GP. And it goes further beyond this, allowing you to update your collections in bulk using the Excel file. Now free up your precious time and resources, and eliminate any chances of error or duplication working from a single point. With more resources and time, you can utilize them for the more demanding tasks, streamline operations and enhance customer experience. Organization of your products is imperative to the success of a web store. An organized product catalog removes any resistance to buying, make your products more discoverable, and improve the SEO ranking of your web store. Achieving this could be tedious, but with the x2x eCommerce GP Shopify module implemented for you, it can become a seamless process, just like a matter of a few clicks. Moving forward with management capabilities is the requirement of time, so that you can remain atop. x2x eCommerce can help you implement this and various other e-commerce integration solutions, ensuring that your customers always remain happy and satisfied. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.